Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Gloria Blessing, and today we are making waffles. I was so excited about sharing this recipe with you, and you're gonna need 2 eggs, and you're gonna crack those eggs into a mixing bowl. Christmas is coming, so I thought I'd add a little bit of a Christmas touch to this. And then you're gonna add 2 spoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Using an electric whisk, you're gonna whisk it until it looks nice and fluffy and light. And then you're going to add half a cup of oil. And about a tablespoon of vanilla essence. You are then going to add any milk of your choice. I decided to mix some milk powder with some water. And that's 1 cup of milk that you're going to use. And then you're going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And some baking powder, but I advise that you sift your dry ingredients first before you mix it into the mixture, and then you're just going to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients together. But make sure you don't over whisk the ingredients or the baking powder. It's okay if it has a little bit of lumps. Spray or brush some oil onto your waffle maker, and then you're going to add your mixture to the waffle maker when it heats up. Don't put too much, otherwise it will spill out of the sides. Close it and let it cook for about 8 seconds or 8 to 10 seconds. And ta-da! I've added some snowflakes around it for that Christmassy feel, and I've added some bananas and blueberries and a little bit of jam and all of that jazz. I hope you loved this video. Like, comment and subscribe.